go.
Hello and welcome to another video. So on my previous video of JioGigaFiber speed test, one guy commented about ping to different regions. So in this video I'm going to check the ping by using web services of Amazon and Counter-Strike Global Offensive servers, and also in the end I have done a small speed test to New York City and a ping test to New York City. So let's begin. So guys, I hope you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe. It helps me a lot. And here I have my channel's username. You can search my channel on YouTube with this username. Also comment if you like something or dislike something about my video, and if you want to know any specific test result on this connection, please comment down. I will do it for you. Also I will post a video or a screenshot of that particular test. So goodbye guys, thanks for watching, and stay connected for next video.